Class 6th, Chapter number 6, Nature's Friends. There are many organizations in the world that are dedicated to monitor and protect the environment. Fill in the blanks and complete the sentences about some of these organizations given below. Question number 1. Dash was established in 1974 in New Delhi as an information center on energy issues. It made a mark as a research institute whose policy and technology solutions transformed people's lives and the environment. The right answer is Terry, T-E-R-I, Terry. Question number 2. The Wildlife Trust of India is a nature conservation organization to conserve wildlife and its habitat. It was formed in November dash. The right answer is 1998. Question number 3. The Sierra Club is an environmental organization in the dash. It was founded on May 28, 1892 in San Francisco, California by the Scottish Americans. It is fighting for the preservation of land, forest, clean air and water. And the right answer is United States. Question number 4. The Dash is an international conservation organization founded in 1961. It is working in the field of the wilderness preservation and the reduction of human impact on the environment. And the right answer is World Wide Fund. Question number 5. The National Wildlife Federation is dedicated to preserving animals in the United States. The organization was actually founded by a cartoonist named Dash in 1936. The right answer is J. Darling. Question number 6. Greenpeace is a global environmental organization founded in 1971. It is working in more than 55 countries across Europe, America, Asia, Africa and the Pacific. The organization's headquarters are in Dash, Netherlands. The right answer is Amsterdam. Question number 7. The Nature Conservancy is a dash environmental organization has been saving lands and waters. The conservancy has over 1 million members. Its headquarters in Arlington, Virginia, United States. The right answer is charitable. Question number 8. The Natural Resources Defense Council works to protect wildlife and wild places. It ensures a healthy environment for all life on earth. It was co-founded in Dash by John Adam, Richard Ayers, John Brisson, Edward Strauban and Gus Speth. And the right answer is 1970.